Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a logo mockup utilizing Canva and a different website. So I have a logo that I already made with Canva, and if you want to know how I made this logo, I've dropped the link in the description box so you can go ahead and check how I made the logo. So the logo is already downloaded to my device. So but if you want to know how to download the logo, just come to share at the top right corner of the screen, go to download, and make sure that the transparent background box is ticked so that the logo will download without the white background or any background color. The logo will not be downloaded with the background. So you just have to make sure that this is ticked and select the page number which the logo is, and also when you are done, go ahead to press on the download button. So it's going to download your logo to your download folder in your file explorer. Okay, so I'll be moving on to this website. Okay, so I'll be moving on to this website, photop.com. Okay, so this is the website, photop.com. When you come here, you go to template. When you go to template, it's going to open different logo mockup templates. It's going to open different mockup templates which you can actually use and replace with your own logo. So I'll be going ahead to check for a mockup to use. Okay, so I'll be making use of 3D office wall logo mockups. You can choose any logo mockup for your logo. So depending on the type of logo you are making, the purpose of the logo, what it will be used for. So you just make a choice of your logo mockup based on the kind of logo you're making. So I'll be going ahead to use this 3D office. So I'll just click on it and it will open this, and I'm going to click on it again. So it's going to open the workspace with the mockup in it. Okay, so as you can see, the interface just looks like a Photoshop interface. So if you're actually good in Photoshop, if you have a pre-knowledge of Photoshop, it will not be hard for you to maneuver your way around this website. So, but even though you don't have any knowledge of Photoshop, it will be very easy for you to actually understand. If you follow up this video, you understand how I'll be going about changing this and replacing it with my own logo. So when you come to the right hand side panel of uh, this site, this interface, you are going to see different layers. You see logo, your logo here, light and the rest. So just come to where you see your logo here, double click on the box. When you double click on it, it's going to open a new phase. It's going to open a new workspace, so in which you are going to bring in the logo you have made from Canva into this workspace. So I'm just going to go ahead and bring the logo I downloaded. So this is logo. I'll just drag it. When you want to drag, just left click and use your mouse to drag it. So I'm going to drag it in here. I will drop it. Okay, so it is loading. Okay, and it has dropped. So I'll just increase, but first of all, okay, I'll press enter to remove it. So I'm going to delete this other one. As you can see at the left panel, there are two layers, which is the new logo I brought in and the one that was already there. So now it is on the new one. So what I'm going to do is that after selecting the old one, the one that came with the template, I'm going to delete it, so it will just be left with my own logo. So I'm going to enlarge this, but the canvas size of this, the workspace here, is very small. So I want to increase this workspace so that I can enlarge my logo to the size that I want. So what I'll do is I will go over to this these tools here and go to crop. Now when you take your cursor, bring your cursor here, you just go through each of these tools. When once you over the tools, they are going to give you the name of each of those tools. So I'm going to be using the crop tool. When I bring my cursor here, you will see that you see the indication that it is a crop tool. So I'm going to click on it. When I click on it, it is going to select the workspace in which I can actually either increase it or reduce it. So I'm going to increase it. So I'll increase it, make it to be a bit larger. I achieve when once I get to the length I want or the height I want, I'll just press enter and it will enlarge. So I'll come here to the move tool to uncheck the crop tool. So I'll bring my logo here. So to enlarge it, so to enlarge this logo, I'll come to edit. Once I have selected, make sure that you select the logo, make sure it is selected. So once I select it, I'll come to edit at the top left corner of the screen. I'll come to edit. When I open it, I'll go to transform. It will open different options, and then I'm going to click on the scale. I'll click on scale. Okay, when I click on scale, so it's going to open the transformation box in which I can actually adjust the logo to whatever size I want. So I'm going to enlarge it and make sure that I scale it well, bring it to the center. As you are enlarging, make sure that it does not go beyond the Canva workspace. Just make sure that everything fits inside the workspace. Okay, so when you are done, you are going to go ahead and press the enter and it's going to uncheck it. So after everything, you are going to press Ctrl S, that is to save the work that you have done. So it is going to replace the logo that came with the mockup and is going to replace it with your own logo. So when everything is done, you are going to close the workspace. You just come up here and click on the X button, click on X, and it is going to close this. So now, taking you back to the mockup, you can see that my logo has been positioned. So it has replaced the previous logo that came with the mockup with my own logo. So that is how it works. It is as simple as that. But if you still want to know more about this photopea, I'm going to drop a video in which you are going to understand how you can actually use this photopea and edit different objects, change color, background, and the rest of it. Okay, so if you are using a mobile device, I'm still going to drop a video in which you will actually know your way around the website using your mobile phone without any difficulties. Okay, without further ado, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more videos and don't forget to click the notification bell so that in case we drop new videos, you are going to be notified and learn more on the designing space. Thank you for watching.